Nature's Path is a local company. We've been around for 30 years. This is our 30-year anniversary. We're founded in Vancouver by the Stevens family. And our commitment to zero waste really has come from our commitment to organic. Everything we do for sustainability has grown from that idea of leaving the earth better than we found it. We have been committed to sustainability and to organic since we started. And we look to our product, to the farms that we work with, to inspire what we do in the rest of our operations. So this is the product most people are aware of. This is our pumpkin flax granola. And our footprint to make a box of granola looks something like this. It takes us about half a pound of CO2 to make it and ship it. It takes us about 0.27 gallons of water to go into making our products to wash down. And for every pound of granola that we make about 1/10 of a pound of waste. And that's the waste that's in our systems. Out of that waste, we divert it. We compost it, we reduce it, we recycle it. This year we're at a 92% diversion rate, aiming for 99% by 2015. That actually adds up to about 9 million pounds of food and plastic and metal and steel, all the different things that go into making our products. But that's all of it before it gets to the customer. And that's the biggest challenge that we really face with, is we have control over everything in our production facility, but how do we deal with that issue that our product goes out into the world and can be a source of waste as well? This is something that we've been using as well as in our heads in terms of a number, that 80% for consumable goods in OECD countries, this is about an average is what's produced every year. And 80% of that ends up in landfill. Really, as a food company, this is what the consumer wants. They want that 325 grams of granola or cereal to their house, and everything else is waste. Everything else in terms of the packaging, the plastic, the cardboard, the pallet, the stretch wrap, and then all of the materials that came to our facilities. The consumer doesn't really want those things. And I think that's one of the challenges is when Bill McDonough was talking about kind of values, the value of packaging to us is something that's valuable as a producer. It comes to us and helps us contain it. But the consumer doesn't really care. They just want that 325 grams of cereal. And our job is to figure out how to do that in a way that waste is reduced. And that's our biggest challenge.